Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you easily fix this type of error. So you can see here guys, when I'm trying to log in my another channel, so you can see here just one email account is showing here, and here you can see other accounts and error occurs. So this problem is appear here. So how can you fix this problem? Just simply go back, and then you have to check that your YT Studio is updated or not. So you have to search for this, and you can see here is the update. So you have to update. So you can see here it's updating right now. So here you can see guys, installing right now. So go back again, then again search for YouTube. You can see guys here is the update. So you have to update your YouTube. So you have to wait for a while. So you can see here it's starting right now here. So just simply open it again, and then tap on this, then tap on this again. Here you can see guys, here is the problem. So the problem is still exists there. So let me tell you that this is a bug from YouTube. So you have to wait till the YouTube will fix this type of problem, because this is a bug. So you have to wait, YouTube will fix it. So this is guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.